Hey, greetings from Texas. All right, today we are going to do a review of the Clover Valley 100% pure beef burgers. It says it's an 80/20 patty available at Dollar General. There are 6 patties, 1/4 pound patties, and it was $8, which equates to roughly $1.33 a piece. No artificial ingredients, minimally processed. Here's the nutritional information, and it just says 100% beef. So, anyway, hopefully it's mostly meat and not connective tissue. But we're gonna prepare them just like the McDonald's basic hamburger is made, to just try them out. Keep it simple. All right, so what we're going to need to make McDonald's hamburgers, besides the 2 patties, are some buns, and these are going to get toasted in the oven under the broiler because McDonald's toasts its buns. We have dehydrated onion. This is 1/2 tablespoon. I'm going to add a 1/2 tablespoon of water. We have 1 slice of American cheese because we're going to do 1 McDonald's hamburger and 1 cheeseburger, and then we have 2 pickles for each burger, so we have 4 pickles. And then our condiments will be just like the McDonald's hamburger: French's yellow mustard, in this case, and Heinz ketchup. Now, McDonald's puts the cheese on after the patties are taken out of their warmer or after they're cooked, so that's how we're going to build the burger when we get back in. Seasoning, I just have a mix of salt, 2 parts salt to 1 part ground pepper. And put 1/2 tablespoon of water. By the time we get done cooking, they should be hydrated. So let's take a look and see what these patties look like. Let's take a look at our patties. You can see we have some ice crystals forming, but they don't look too bad. I took the rest, I vacuum sealed them and put them in the freezer. We're going to cook them up on the Blackstone griddle. Let's go ahead and toast our buns. Okay, it's been about 45 seconds. And here we go. Okay, cooking times may vary. Let's go ahead and season side. So let's see how these things cook up. We are almost 2 minutes into the cooking process. Now, usually with frozen patties, we're going to wait till you start to see juices come up in the middle and then flip them and finish them off. We are just over 3 minutes into the cook, and now they are kind of puffing up in the middle. I don't want to press on them too hard. It's been 4 minutes. Let's go ahead and flip them. Let's season this side here. We're 2 minutes into this side, so we just want to make sure that the juices that flowing out of the top are clear, which they look like to me, so we're going to pull these off. I did lose their shape a little bit. Look more like a Salisbury steak shape now. McDonald's clone, that's our hamburger. And this is going to be our cheeseburger. For our cheeseburger, we have our American cheese. Now it's time to dress the bun. We're going to put on our onions. And our pickle. There we go. Let's give it a taste test. So there is our clone McDonald's hamburger. Now these normally cost $1.59 a piece, at least here in my part of Texas. So let's take a bite. Completely cooked, not dry. Good beefy flavor, no grittiness. Let's try our clone McDonald's cheeseburger. Well, what's the verdict? The verdict is I would recommend these. Now, these are $1.33 a patty, but they are a quarter pound before cooking. So you're getting a little bit more meat for your buck. And yeah, I would keep these in the freezer in case I didn't have time or didn't want to thaw out some hamburger and wanted a burger. Leave a comment down below if you've tried these before or if you haven't. And if you do try them, let me know how they turned out. Alrighty, I'm going to finish these burgers and then probably take a nap. I appreciate you stopping by, and thanks for watching. Okay, out of the 2 patties, there was a little piece of bone. You can see it right there. That's really, really tiny. So I'm not going to make a big deal about that. I've had that in regular store-bought fresh ground beef.